And this is what it looks like right now. The past 6 hours, we've noticed that rain was really heavy towards our north. It shifted over the Metroplex where it currently is and eventually will shift to the south. So this rain will eventually taper off into the afternoon hours. But before that happens, flash flood warnings are still in place. Tarrant County under that warning until 1, as a band of heavy rain is now on the south and eastern half of Fort Worth and into Arlington, Grand Prairie. We're seeing some very heavy rainfall right now, lowering visibility as well. For those of you on the roadways, flash flood warning also in place for Dallas County until 1 in the afternoon. We're seeing this all because of that rain from overnight. Now there's a band of heavy rain moving in from Irving to Duncanville, Cedar Hill, Lancaster, Dallas, all seeing some of that heavy rain. Balch Springs will see another batch of heavy rain moving in as this continues to move to the east, northeast as the day goes on. Kaufman County also seeing that. Henderson County also under a flash flood warning, and also seeing Johnson and Ellis County under these warnings as well. We've had several inches of rainfall, and the rainfall rates right now moving through the area are quite impressive. Along I-35, Waxahachie seeing some of that heavy rain just south of 287 there south of the town, and just seeing some lightning also in the area. So this is really starting to ramp up in terms of strength, likely seeing some pretty gusty winds out there. That is something to consider, is the gusty winds associated with maybe some of those trees that are being a little flimsy because of the drought, and now we have heavy rain and the wind. Just watch out for any of those limbs throughout the day. Cleburne, south of Cleburne, seeing some of the heavy rain. Again, this batch of heavy rain is moving to the east-southeast, so it's not completely done with us just yet, but it will clear out from west to east. This is all as this area of low pressure here moves to the east-northeast, and it's not moving all that fast, so that's why we have some of these issues ongoing. Now, over the last 24 hours, this is just a radar estimate because these totals are changing so fast because rain just continues to pile on. We've had some radar estimates of upwards of 8 to 9 inches of rain, even some locations in eastern Dallas County close to 10 inches of rain. We will know the exact totals once it all stops. A flash flood watch is still in place until 7 for areas south of Interstate 20. And this is because, again, that rain is going to shift to the south. So the flood concern is going to be highest right now, early afternoon. It tapers down to low to medium late afternoon, and then tonight the flood threat is gone. The flood risk is going to be highest in the Metroplex, east, southeast. That is what we're going to turn our attentions to for the afternoon hours. 1 to 3 additional inches of rain will be possible, and it's because of this band of rain that's currently over the Metroplex. It will move to the south and to the east as the afternoon goes on. Look, this is now 4. You see it tapering off from the north to the south. You'll see that, and we'll see some drying out over the overnight. So again, DFW Airport over the last 24 hours, 8.7 inches of rain, just over 8¼ inch at Dallas Love Field. Some other very impressive totals coming out of Tarrant County as well. And yeah, this is record rainfall. August rainfall so far, 9.59 inches of rain. It is now officially the second wettest August on record. It is the wettest month since October of 2018. And again, midday, something to consider, that heavy rain, the messy roads, the flash flood continues, and we'll notice that rain starts to taper off through the middle part of the week as temperatures slowly climb. Mark, just a lot to track here.